Honorable MLA Kong Aiu, all the traditional heads who are present out here today in this meeting, by Alan West, our chairperson of this meeting, and all the senior citizens, church elders, and all my dear friends who are gathered here today to be part of this small but a very, very important meeting. At the very outset, I would like to thank all of you for having organized this meeting and called us here. I would like to thank God Almighty for giving us this opportunity to be here together to discuss many, many important things in relation to this area.
And we have come to the conclusion that Sohra must be a district and the headquarters must be right here. And this is a very, very important decision that has been taken. And now we will move forward in this line to do the necessary work to make this a possibility at the earliest. I once again thank all of you for all the wonderful gifts that you've given to us.
Hoy ngakai ni sutu ika ek sarkar banwan next ia katang sutu ba tenrei ia kal air kabe na Shuwa e banong ta ka serincha dia bui tengai dia kata namar ba lakum nono na kalian juni kami kwa lakum kan jiang ka usne ia kan di district ka tumai napo ka iskasil ka ba minsa ai ka ten ka wipa ia kapakan long kahit kuata hane po ko Sohra la kuno ni nakalian jomi kawangi ko ang ma kare benci yang tausnya jika tak kawan Shuwa